name is Aditya. I'm studying in LKG. My school name is St. Philomena Group of Institution in Chandapura.
Jnanapith Awards winners from Karnataka.
Jnanapith Awards winner from Karnataka. Kuvenpu, Dharavendra, Shivaram Karamasti, Venkatesh Iyengar, V.K. Gokak, R. Anandamurthy, Girish Karnad, Chandrasekhar Kambar.
Classical dance forms of India.
Classical dance form of India: Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu, Kathakali, Kerala, Kathak, Uttar Pradesh, Manipuri, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Satariya, Assam, Makida, Madhya Pradesh, Dandiya, Gujarat, Yashagana, Karnataka.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Banavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Manasi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamnabarni, Vaigai, Yamuna.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
4 Vedas.
4 Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
10 Mukhya Upanishads.
10 Mukhya Upanishad: Ishashapadna, Kena Upanishad, Katha Upanishad, Krishna Upanishad, Mundaka Upanishad, Mandukya Upanishad, Aitareya Upanishad, Chandogya Upanishad, Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, Taittiriya Upanishad.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dashavatara Vishnu: Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Bhavana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
18 Puranas.
18 Puranas: Vishnu Purana, Matsya Purana, Kurma Purana, Bhavishya Purana, Garuda Purana, Agni Purana, Vamana Purana, Bhagavata Purana, Skanda Purana, Shiva Purana, Markandeya Purana, Linga Purana, Vayu Purana, Narada Purana, Brahma Vaivarta Purana, Padma Purana, Brahmanda Purana.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents active: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
5 oceans of the world.
5 oceans active: Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India:
Afghanistan,
Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
States and capitals.
States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati; Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar; Assam, Dispur; Bihar, Patna; Chandigarh, Raipur; Goa, Panaji; Gujarat, Gandhinagar; Haryana, Chandigarh; Maharashtra, Mumbai; Manipur, Imphal; Meghalaya, Shillong; Mizoram, Hyderabad; Nagaland, Kohima; Odisha, Bhubaneswar; Punjab, Chandigarh; Rajasthan, Jaipur; Sikkim, Gangtok; Tamil Nadu, Chennai; Telangana, Hyderabad; Tripura, Agartala; Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow; Uttarakhand, Dehradun; West Bengal, Kolkata.
Districts in Karnataka.
Districts in Karnataka: Bagalkot, Ballari, Mizam, Bengaluru, Harba, Belgavi, Nagara, Chikkaballapura, Chitradurga; Dakshina Kannada, Davangere, Dharwad, Gadag, Hasan, Haveri, Kalburgi, Kodagu, Kola, Kopala, Mandya, Mysore, Samajna, Raichur, Shimoga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttara Kannada, Vijayapura, Yadgiri.
Indian festivals.
Indian festivals: Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivratri, Christmas, Holi, Magara, Good Friday.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Women freedom fighters of India. Durgabai Deshmukh, Aruna Safali, Suchasan Kipavali, Kituradi Chanama, Keladi Chanama, Onake Ogava, Vijay Lakshmi Pandey, Sarojini Naidu, Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Mai.
7 wonders of the world.
7 wonders of the world: Taj Mahal, Historian, Petro Joda, Great Wall of China, the Roman Colosseum, Machu Picchu, Chichen Itza.
7 colors in rainbow.
7 colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India: Assami, Bengali, Pido, Dogri, Gujarati, Sindhi, Tamil,
Kannada,
Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Simla, Telugu, Urdu.
Names of Rutus.
Name for Rutus: Vasant Rutu, Grishma Rutu, Varsha Rutu, Sharad Rutu, Hemant Rutu, Shishira Rutu.
Hindu lunar months.
Hindu lunar months: Chaitra, Vasaga, Jyeshta, Ashara, Shravana, Bhadrapada, Asvaja, Kartika, Margashira, Pusha, Magha, Parguna.
Major cities in India.
Major cities in India: Mumbai, New Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, Jaipur.
Most popular international airports in India.
Most popular international airports in India: Indira Gandhi Airport, New Delhi, Rajiv Gandhi Airport, Hyderabad, Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport, Mumbai, Chennai Airport, Chennai, Kempegowda Airport, Bangalore.
Borders of India.
Borders of India: North Himalayas, South Indian Ocean, East Bay of Bengal, West Arabian Sea.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka: Pulkeshi, Krishnadevaraya, Vishnuvardhana, Mayuruvarma, Mandakari Nayaka, Kituradi Channamma, Hakka Bukka, Jayachamaraja Odeya, Kempegowda.
Fundamental rights of India.
Fundamental rights of India: right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitution remedies.
5 sense organs.
5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue, sing.
Indian dynasties.
Indian dynasties: Chalukya dynasty, Chola dynasty, Maurya dynasty, Pallava dynasty, Gupta dynasty, Rashtrakuta dynasty, Mughal dynasties, Vijayanagara dynasties, Vardhan dynasties.
9 union territories.
9 union territories: New Delhi, Delhi, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu, Nardara, Nagaravali, Pondicherry, Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep, Gadag, Jammu and Kashmir.
Top 10 Indian scientists.
Top 10 Indian scientists: Srinivasa Ramanujam, C.V. Rama, Homi Bhabha, Jaravi Chandra Bose, Meghana Saha, M. Visvesvaraya, Satyendranath Bose, Subramania Chandrasekhar, Vikrant Sarabhai, Anup Kulkar, APJ Abdul Kalam.
Countries and capitals.
Current capitals: Afghanistan, Kabul, Argentina, Buenos Aires, Australia, Canberra, Australia, Vienna, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Brazil, Gotham, Timor, Brazil, Bulgaria, Sofia, Canada, Ottawa, Chile, Santiago, China, Brazil, Bulgaria, Colombia, Bogota, Denmark, Copenhagen, Dominican Republic, Santo Domingo, Egypt, Cairo, Finland, Helsinki. Thank you.